Hello friends, welcome to this video where we shall discuss another problem on speed. This time we shall try a little bit of more complicated problem. Now don't forget to visit the playlist so that you get a comprehensive knowledge on the problems and the concept about speed. So let's start this problem today. A man travels from city A to city B at a speed of 40 km/h and returns from city B to city A along the same route at 60 km/h. After returning, he again goes from city A to city B, but this time he increases the speed by 50% compared to the speed during the first trip from A to B. If the total distance traveled during the entire journey, all the three trips is 360 kilometers, what is the time taken for the complete journey? Notice here, the man first traveled from city A to B, then B to A, and then again he returned to B. So let us just put it into pictorial representation so it is easy for you to understand. Okay. Now, this is the point A or city A, and this is the point B, which is city B. So first he traveled from city A to city B, and then B to A, and then again A to B. So in total there was 3 trips, and in that 3 trips which are of equal distance, the total trip distance was 360 kilometers. So if I say the distance between A to B is x, then the total distance traveled by the man would be x plus x plus x, which is 3x. Now this total distance is given as 360 kilometer. Hence our x would be is equals to 360 divided by 3 equals to 120 kilometer. So this distance is equals to 120 kilometer, or we can say the distance between city A and B is 120 kilometer. Now what is being asked here is what is the time taken for the complete journey. Let us say that the first time is t1, the second time is t2. What I mean is that from A to B is t1, and then B to A is t2, and then at last again A to B is t3. So the total time would be equals to t1 plus t2 plus t3. Now we know the time taken for a distance traveled would be equals to distance divided by speed. Here the distance is x, which is nothing but 120 kilometer. So during the first trip, the speed was 40 kilometer per hour, which is given here in the question. So let us just write it here so that we have a clear view. So what we can write here is that then 120 kilometer divided by 40 km/h, which would be equals to 3 hours. So I can write here 3 hours. Now again T2 would be equals to 120 kilometer divided by 60 km/h. So this is 60, which would give me 2 hours. Then T3 is equals to 120 kilometer divided by the speed during the second journey from A to B. Now here the speed is 50% more compared to the speed during his first trip from A to B. During first trip his speed was 40 km/h, hence the speed now would be equals to 150%. Why 150%? Because 50% is increased and original speed is the 100% of the 40 km/h, which is 40 km/h. If we simplify, you will see how we simplify this in our discussions during percentage also. But then if it increases by say 50%, what we can write is that 1.5 into 40. Now this if we simplify, we get 3 divided by 1.5, which is again equals to 2 hours. Hence we can write the total time is equals to 3 plus 2 plus 2 hours, which is equals to 7 hours. And 7 hours is our final answer. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share the video. Thank you. See you in our next video.